Hey guys, okay, today I have a 5-minute full body burner for you. Okay, so we're gonna hit it head to toe. 5 minutes, you can go one round through this whole thing, get some heat up in that body, or you can take it 3 or 4 times through and get a nice sweat session, okay? So everything from head to toe we're gonna hit right now. Okay, we're gonna start with a little cardio action to up that heart rate, and then we'll move on to a little bit more strength and endurance. So before we get started, before I hit that timer, I'm gonna show you the first move so you're ready to go. It's gonna be little stair taps. So we're working with 2 stairs today. I have bare feet, so you can do this barefoot or you can be in sneakers. Either way, it's totally fine. You don't need much, right? No excuses. Okay, so from here, we're just gonna tap that stair. So a little hop and a little tap. Little bounce in your step. Stable through the core, stable through the spine. My whole body isn't moving, right? It's just my legs, that little tap. All right, so that's our first movement. We're gonna up that heart rate. So here we go. I'm gonna start that timer. 1 minute stair taps. Here we go. Little stair taps. Nice and easy, nice and light on those toes. Just a little tap. Barely touching. Belly button's up and in. Shoulders back and down. Head up. You're not looking at your feet. You're looking straight ahead. Nice neutral spine. Good, keep it up. Whole point here is to drive that heart rate a little bit. Good, 30 seconds you guys, nice and fast. Good, you can speed it up. You can slow it down if you have to. Okay, but either way, just keep it going. Keep it going, 15 seconds. You got this. Core is still tight. Here we go. 10 seconds. So fast. Okay guys, getting into the quad and glute a little bit now. So we're gonna take that left foot to the top of the stairs. Right leg's gonna work. We're gonna step it up and step it down. Step it up and step it down, okay? We're gonna do 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side. I'll watch the timer and I'll make sure you switch. Okay, here we go. Step it up, step it down. Step it up, step it down. So my right leg is moving, right? But my left leg is stable and grounded. It's essentially a pulse on that left glute and left quad. Little pulse. Okay, that balance comes from being able to tap that stair. Little extra support, it's like a little kickstand by being able to tap that stair. Good, let's switch sides. Right foot up, little stair taps. Keep it going. Core is still tight, upper body isn't moving. Keep that foot nice and flat on that right side. I want you to really feel the weight in that right side. Okay, so your toes are light. Good, guys. Okay, coming down to the floor for the next one. Okay, so getting into that waistline a little bit more. We're gonna come into a side plank, right forearm down. Your your right leg is gonna be bent on the floor. Your left leg is at that top stair. From here, we're gonna lift into a side plank, and now that left leg is gonna work. We're gonna pull it in and send it out. Here we go. Pull it in, send it out. Pull it in, send it out. So we're working that right waistline because that hip is lifted off the floor. I'm pulling that left knee straight in towards my chin. Good. Keeping the waistline long on both sides. We're switching at 30 seconds. I got that timer behind me. Make sure you've got that elbow underneath your shoulder and you're maintaining that strong alignment. That's gonna help you with stability through the shoulder girdle. Switch sides. Up on that right side works. Right leg works. Left side down. Good, staying lifted. Keeping that elbow under the shoulder. Lifting up out of that shoulder. Good, my hips don't drop. They maintain alignment. Keep long space on my right top waistline. Okay, bring it down. All right, guys, next one, we're gonna be walking with our hands. So plank on that bottom stair. We're gonna walk with our hands up, walk with our hands down. Up, down. Good. And alternate that leading hand. I didn't do that right off the bat. but that's what you're gonna do, okay? So here we go. Set up your plank, nice strong body, walk with the hands. Good. Fingers are spread nice and wide, so you have a strong handprint. Okay, little suction cup right through the center of the palm. The rest of my body doesn't move. I've got those shoulder blades wrapping the ribs, belly button up and in. Good, you guys. That body is like a board. It doesn't move. Nice stability through center. Good, 1 minute here. Good, keep stepping it up. If you need to hold that plank for a minute, you can hold it. Keep going, a little upper body push here. Good, you guys. Okay, our next one is gonna be more into the glute. Okay, so you're gonna come down onto your back. You're gonna have those heels on that bottom stair. Right leg is gonna stay down. Left leg is gonna cross over that thigh. Okay, from here, you're gonna drive that hip up and send it down. Drive it up and send it down. Let's go. Drive that hip up and send it down. Drive and squeeze the glute. Send it down. So big contraction and push. I want you to drive through that right heel. The left leg is light, right? It's not doing much there. You want to keep your hips moving together. So both hip bones drive up. Really contract that right side. We're switching in 5 seconds to the other side. Here we go. Keep it up. Good, let's switch. Left leg down, right leg up. Big switch. Good, big contraction through that left glute. Really squeeze and push through that heel. Big lift. Length on the front body, so you're looking to lengthen out on the front of your body. Fully open up that seat crease. Good, this is it, guys. This is the last push here. Keep driving it up. Big squeeze, 3 seconds. Good, I think we got one more in there, one more, and bring it all the way down, guys. So good. So easy, right? 5 minutes. You can do 1 round of that. I'm sweaty from just 1 round. Okay, 3 times, 4 times through. What a great sweat session you'll get. Okay, awesome job, you guys. See you soon.